asa banda bonse duoma koirana ntebeiga intwe muno mugusi na kuringana no burayi muna twarore kurumahega no embabo mugaka muna marehemu to mumbo yo sirire twarasomire story kiaye omuntu ekirore bwe myaka emeke igatuga emiya mune myaka yo musike Arati oegwo burayi inkunyarore ko burenda buya inkiora burendere buya asengencho nkuobore nga matuko gukobere nse na mange tokogani gokorera abantu bamino bobe ekiri kwa rure kiruge ekyo osinywa soko enda gukia nduoma yo korera iga abantu baminto gakika muranche ese mwabeta omo muroyo okorukwa Arati tari twa murusetie ngoroime moise kurigere no endiria nairago akogenda garia urbaki goshwe Arati na rurengo okorugusi ngona ndorengo ndu dario Arati bwe dario musajo murem ndu onkorere gaiga na ndano ngo chigukorera tuonsipi abangina baminto abagaka baminto abamura baito abaiseke baito korukoro no embono na magoso tuakora ase ekegusi ekerunge kabisa mungina tanya gotenena bosibwa abagaka arama abagaka muna abaisia inumwaye koigwa maganayo haya umongino korukujane tiongera igari gotaro goteba bangina mwachandikire ne chinyongo motwe gakiti gambaru chinyongo motwe agakura arusi abangina chinyongo abangina mura mwarusi chinyongo motu abaga mura abangina baino barusi kuchinyongo motu bono rende nkiago chako totei bono tigankorere gabwo airinde tuanjira tuasingana na toko achikura.
Yeah, for purposes of other communities who are living in Kisii who could like to support Honorable Simba Arati, we could like to pass a message in English for them to know the stand of the people who are actually supporting Arati. To crown, we are saying Obure is in record to have done regrettably bad as a minister for agriculture, industrialization, commerce, corporate development, foreign affairs, public works, roads, and the chief administrative secretary, and even finance. He did not inaugurate any meaningful project in Kisii. So for those who are staying in Kisii, for 2 tribes out of the 43 tribes who are in Kenya, we are appealing to you that support Honorable Paul Simba Arati, the one who is being a project. Me, Councillor Richard Muchangera Makori, the personal secretary, personal assistant to Chris Obure. Si mnajua hivyo? Yeah. Na mimi nimeama, amebaki na nani? So we are saying Chris Obure is in record to have waged a relentless war until the grave against the late chief cabinet and the then powerful minister, Honorable Simon Nyachai. We are very much aware that when Simon Nyachai wanted to be a president of this country, when he was able to grab the 10 seats from Kisii region, Obure was in the front side to oppose him. Si mnajua hivyo? Yeah. 2007, we want to tell our people that Honorable Simba Arati was hijacked in Nairobi, abducted for that sense. He came to us when I was the PA. I took him to Chris Obure, support this gentleman. He asked the people, but he was actually cornered. Because he was taken to a room. He was given milk for the whole day until 5 p.m. He was not able to submit these papers kwa ECK. Obure said, go away with this young man. The young man was later nominated as a councillor. Aliperform ama hakuperform? So we are aware that even in 2007, Obure fought a very big war to Honorable Arati. So we are telling our people, we are urging Chris Obure to retire honorably from active politics. Tunasema hivyo?
Yes.
Obure endenka?
Yes.
On the same note, Professor Ongeri equally served in potential ministries with some grip, but the generational and transformative politics has greatly disadvantaged this old man. ukiwa na ile nywele nyeupe tunasema ni nini? Ni akili. Lakini yeye ameonyesha kwamba akili yake ni kutukana na kutusi na kukasi, kuraani vijana. Anaraani the old generation. Akiraani kila mtu atabaki na nani? With Janet Ongera, we have greatly respected her in the past, but of late the sentiment expressed calling this great man abaisia is a very big derogatory language which we urge her to offer an official withdrawal and subsequent apology following her abaisia derogatory language. We categorically exonerate Honorable Simba Arati of any involvement in the wars which befall the said leaders in Kisii. Simba Arati is as innocent as the angels of heaven. Yeye ni mweupe kama nini? The Kisii University and the Kisii National Polytechnic authorities are at a right position to clarify if indeed their record do implicate any student who did participate and the blame was shifted to our man, of which up to this time no authority has claimed the responsibility on that position. Finally, in light of aforesaid, we wish to make urgent appeal. 1. The Azimio la Umoja National Secretariat to unconditionally endorse Honorable Paul Simba Arati as the Kisii flag bearer because of untainted popularity. Chris Obure again to cease from podium meetings, and we call upon the Kisii political class to embrace unity and tolerance. Then, inubuna bagusi nkimogote abaigoreke kenene. As we fully support His Excellency Right Honorable Engineer Amoro Odinga as the 5th President of Kenya, we beseech the Kisii community to consider joining, supporting him, not even supporting, but inducing other communities to show that he is indeed an able leader. The journey to the promised land, Kisii County, and is often characterized with the disagreements like the one we are experiencing. But we have Moses. Who is the Moses? Simba. So we have the Moses, though doubted by a few self-seekers, we indeed is able to take us to the promised land. Mukomposi, as he designed a bridge that can weather the worst storms safe and reliable. As such, we are saying the man is none other than Paul Simba Arati. Mama.
My name is Teresa Moinga Marita. Teresa Moinga Marita yalenge a former councillor ODM ndani. Bono musekorge buya abantu aminta ba orators ba kwani gaiga. There is no need for me to repeat what they have said because they are going to say it right. Ba kwanire o mane weka timbo ene tikoirora una ba simuka ba ito ba kwanire. Haindi buna abangina wegoto buya sana kubuga bagaka. Omosike omheshimiwa Simba Arati, governor wetu ambao tunatarajia kumpatia na amepata. Kitu ambao nataka kuambia wanaume ni kwamba ekeromo ngina erule ekeromo nto ala teweza sonti ama teweza sabangina ali retreat. Wisdom and knowledge. Wisdom gere yentekia omo muroyo iga okorokwa Simba Arati iga wato bungai nikisembiria abantu abanne babwente gutwara nkirende turamwangere ikyana amanyete egento kyango getibonekera okwana nga irago ya koranga bangina baro babere ketatifo banjiru abana bakawangura bakukura bakisukuru banya kutangatanga uchabanya kurandana buna chokora na bwabegete bose cyaje gokonya kakia bangina bamintura nda bwara barabwa bange baise ko monte guro maita bangina na bwo dikura yigo bono Simba Arati ile jikura ambu yamono sana.
Kwa niaba ya the county, Mheshimiwa Peter anaweza ku crown the statement.
Biyamora baambi. My name's are Peter Nyaputo Mari. Incheno mubasi. Nkoruma sige West. Abantu baminto. Simbo yonero ko nduma ega se miaka. Indi tu amwagerede simi kuno arobinga momuro tagocha. Okonye gusi ya ito. Litangani na kabere a member ya budget committee in Kisii County. We proposed a lot of things ebinte ebinge tu aliko banga. Bikoru ntoma da sibese chigocha. Na kina ko matenga momuro tagocha mune governor obu atekero geke gose not ko nye factory chitongo chiche gusiga iga abana baito balikwe. Abana baito bachandekire. Abako na komyo kipipi bichoka ntota kete na abande basa factory me cho avocado factory tu aire chibesa mara mange eyende yemes tu anyere chibesa mara mange ntu anakora se binte bi ko senko bare implemented so abagusi baminto ekero omongi na ikire jinga kya kanyoro omwana mondo tayora motange omwana oina bagosoka kero jinsa kya ikire
none rikere
jinga kya ikire kya Simba Arati bali mukona kurwa chintacho irangora tigo omwana yasoke agambere abagusi na intuto menga omwana oyo akya kugamba enchere ya mangana mange korwa we don't want onye kora kobata mangana mangao ayento gotageti enda katika kaburi ya sahau into totagete omogusi bwensi akwane ruge yemo ya Simba Arati for 2022 chitariki kianda omotinyo nani mo wanje na maana hiyo bire bia mona so ontegerera.
Now finally members of the press, kulikuwa na wazee